Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Channel name is Internet Teacher's Classroom, and we are learning about paintings. My paintings. And the painting is this military soldier, and this is the soldier. Look at this soldier. And the next one is the princess, and this next one is the duck. It's with his umbrella, and the shoes with the duck, and he have look the raindrops. I don't know. And the next one is bullfish. The bullfish has sharp teeth and a light on his head. And the next painting is palette. And
very good.
look at this there. Look at, where is the tail? Oh, sorry. Here is the tail. And look his mouth. I have more to show you. This is a dinosaur. And this is the shark, dolphin. And the bird. Sorry. And this is a duck. And this is a rabbit. This is a boat. This is the last one, but not least, the robot. Bye guys, like, share and subscribe to our channel. My YouTube channel name is Internet Teacher's Classroom. Bye.